Hi everyone, welcome to Tricks in JEE and NEET channel. This is the third video, last video from Mathematical Reasoning NTA. Now see which is a true. We have to find the truth one. Now let's check the options first. See, P by condition implies Q. P implies Q. Here they give negation of P implies negation of Q. This is wrong. There is nothing like this. Suppose if here complement is there, then this will a correct option. Now see the second option. Negation of P implies negation of Q is equal to negation of P and Q. What I told, just let me take a book. See here I will write negation of P implies Q, we can write it as negation of P union Q. In this way we can write, but here they have given P implies negation of Q. P implies negation of Q. We can write it as negation of P union negation of Q. Okay. Now here they are given negation of P intersection Q. Now see here negation is there in question. So for this just see negation is there. So then it will become P and Q is the same option here. So here negation is there. So this is also wrong one. Now see this third option. Negation of negation P implies negation of Q. This one you can write it as negation of negation P union negation Q, and find the complement for that. You will get this option. Okay, you do it yourself. I did. Now see this 23rd question. The statement P union Q. Now see P union Q means P union Q. What are the truth values? True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. It will become true, 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 false. So here it contained true, true. True contained, false contained. So it is not complete tautology. It is not complete contradiction. So neither tautology nor contradiction. Same type of question we observed in previous video. Find the truth values of the compound statement. 4 is first composite number. So this is P and 2 plus 5 is 7. See, this statement is a truth statement and this statement is also a truth statement. True and true will give true only. Just check the truth table. So first option is the correct option. Truth value of the statement. 2 is an odd number. This is P. If 2 is a root of x square plus 2. This is Q. They had given that P by conditional Q. Now see, 2 is 2 an odd number? No. So this is a false. P is false. And 2 is a root of x square plus 2. Just to put the 2 value here, it satisfies? No, it doesn't satisfy. So this is also a wrong statement. So false by conditional false will give you true. So first option is the correct option. Now see this 26th question. Which of the following connectivities satisfy commutative law? Check the truth value. Commutative law means, suppose AND is there. P and Q is equal to Q and P. R is there. P union Q is equal to Q union P. Check the truth values. Biconditional is there. True, true will become true. False, false will become false. So this also satisfies. You check that options. Okay. Now see the fourth one. All will satisfy D. See this question. P union Q is true. Union. Even just try the truth table as true, false, false, true. Here only na. P union Q. This is the truth table for this. P union Q is true. Then negation of P intersection Q they asked. Negation of P. First see P union Q will become true when these three conditions are there. When these three conditions are there, then it will become true. So let's write the truth values here. P union Q is true. So it will become true, 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 false, false, true. Then it will become true. Now they asked negation of P intersection Q. Negation of P will become false, false, true. Q as it is true, false, true. And is there. And means when both are true, then only it will become true. This is false, this is false, and this is true. Now see the options. False if P is true. If P is true, then it will become false. No. Now see this second option. True if P is true. If P is true, then it will become true. Yes, this will satisfy. Now see the other options. False if Q is true. Q is true, then it will become false or what? Maybe they asked the wrong statements. See, these three options will satisfy, but this first option will not satisfy. So this is the correct option. Maybe I didn't write the question correctly. I will check it, okay? See this question. P union negation of, just understand the concept, okay? See this. P union negation of P implies negation of Q is equivalent to P union. This you can write it as, where to write? See here I will write P union negation of P implies negation of Q. P union negation of P implies negation of Q, you can write negation of P union negation of Q. P union, then it will become negation P intersection Q, right? This it will become, because see, negation is there now, apply it. Negation of negation P will become P, union will become and negation of negation Q will become Q. Now P union P intersection Q. This is P and this is P and this is P intersection Q. They asked the P union P intersection Q will give this total. So it will become P. So second option is the correct option. Truth values of negation of P implies negation of Q. This truth value we have to find and this truth value we have to find when P and true or Q are true. When P you take true, Q you take true, then what the values you get for this negation of P means false, implies negation of Q means false. False will give in implies true. Now see this, negation of P means false, implies true. It will give you the second one, true. So answer for this is false, true. So thank you so much for watching this video. Next I will upload from environmental chemistry.